Eileen.
And it looks like a good movie. Well, something those Sex and the City girls might be interested in, actually who wouldn't, is a chance to look better over the summer, but without having to taking the downtime and the money and everything that it costs to have actually surgery. So there are little ways you can kind of cheat here and there through the summer, and somebody who can better explain them is Dr. Jason Leedy, plastic surgeon, and these are, well, we'll start with the most basic. Botox.
Botox. Well,
yeah.
There are three nice, quick office-based procedures which are great for rejuvenating the face, allowing you to put your best face forward for the summer. Botox being number one. It's the most common cosmetic, surgical, or non-surgical procedure performed in the U.S., about 4 million per year. It's great for treating the wrinkles of the upper third of the face. Wrinkles around the crow's feet, in between the eyes and the forehead. It's given through small injections.
That's pretty dramatic, the befores and afters.
Yeah, the results are seen in about 3 days. The results last for 3 months. You can get a little bit of bruising, but here you see someone that had her crow's feet treated. It improves the wrinkles around the corner of the eye, and the eyebrow has actually been lifted a little bit too. It gives the impression of an eyebrow lift.
And that's something she could just go right back to work, same day, you know, nobody's going to really notice anything.
Right. You can have a little bit of bruising, but essentially no downtime.
Okay, then the next one is, it can be used anywhere on the face, right? Restylane?
Well, correct. It can, but Restylane is best for the lower 2/3 of the face. That part of the face, the wrinkles develop due to gravity, and they have to be treated differently. So Restylane is a filler, and it actually fills in the wrinkles. It's great for around the corner of the mouth. And here's someone, the corner, you can see the deep line that she has from the nose all the way down to the chin. And afterwards, with the treatment of Restylane, it's filled in. The results are immediate. You can get a little bit of bruising and swelling that may last for 2 to 3 days, but the results last for 6 months. And it's a quick, easy way. This patient, she had her lower eyelids treated. Again, Restylane injected into the depression underneath the eye. It helps fill it in and provide a more natural, youthful look.
Now, is that something that can just be done in an office visit, and you go to work and everything?
Well, I tell people to expect a little bit of swelling, so I don't tell them that go right back to work, but the following day or 2 days later, they'll be ready for the weekend.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, now this one I'm really curious about. Smartlipo.
Smartlipo, that's
as opposed to dumb lipo.
Well, Smartlipo is it's a laser liposuction. I talked about it once before about body contouring here on the show, but it's also used for underneath the neck and the chin. And again, this is an office-based procedure. It uses local anesthesia, and with placement of the laser light, the fat can be dissolved and the skin tightened. And the results will be seen after about 2 days or so, when the patient can remove the compression garment. And here she had her neck treated, and you can see a nice improvement. And again, this is an office-based procedure, no general anesthesia, just local, and on her way after treatment.
And how long do these things last? Like, I know Botox isn't permanent.
Botox is 3 months, Restylane 6 months, Smartlipo is permanent.
Oh, Smartlipo. Oh, it is permanent.
It's a one-time treatment.
Boy, that is a good idea.
Yeah.
And is that something that you could just kind of go back to work maybe the next week or over the weekend, have something done?
After the weekend.
Okay.
That would be best.
Now, who's the ideal candidate for Botox?
Well, anyone who's concerned about wrinkles in the upper third of the face, that have wrinkles that are from muscle activity, and they're healthy and certainly no significant medical problems, but it's a very safe, easy procedure, and it can be, it's useful for a lot of people.
And then who's ideal for Restylane?
Again, people with wrinkles that are the result of descent of the soft tissues of the lower third of the face.
Go ahead, you can point at me.
Lots of people.
And then for the chin.
Smartlipo does require, again, good medical health, but they have to have a small enough amount of fat there that they can see a nice improvement. Otherwise, a surgical procedure may be beneficial.
Okay. Wow, it's so nice to know that that's available. I mean, science is amazing. Well, Dr. Leedy, good to see you again, and thank you. And I want to let anybody know how you can get some of these things done quickly and safely. Dr. Jason Leedy, call him 440-461-6100. You can also find him on the web at drleedy, LEEDY.com, and of course, goodcompanyshow.com. We can always help you out. So it's going to be a great summer. Well, coming up, I'm going to try it again. Who loves your Cleveland?